Hello, how you doing? Gonna make this today. Broccoli, Parmesan, cheese sauce. Really easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Me. Okay, let's get our broccoli sorted out. I always keep the stalks on. Some people sort of cut it about there. You can do that if you want, but loads of great flavor in these. So I like to keep that in there. I've got a centimeter or so of water, a little bit of salt. Gonna bring that to the boil, let it just go for about 4 minutes. I'm gonna stick a lid on that. Okay, let's get started. I've got 2 tablespoons of butter that I'm melting down here. Once it's melted, I'll be back with some flour. So 2 tablespoons of butter. We'll go with 3 tablespoons of flour. I'm using a wheat, plain white flour. We're going to be working this in. I'm working it in for about 4 to 5 minutes. Keep it moving all the time. So this is the most important part of making this sauce. If you don't cook this out nicely and get it to turn into like a kind of biscuit, like a kind of shortbread biscuit, your sauce is going to taste bloody awful. It's just going to taste like you've poured flour into cold milk. Talking of milk, let's go. We're going to add in a little bit here. And we're going to work it for about a minute or so. It'll thicken really, really quickly because we need to add a lot more. And then here we go again. And again, mix away for about a minute or 2 this time. And then just keep adding and keep adding. We're going to add about 600 or 700 ml in total to this. And don't worry about the lumps. As you keep mixing it, they'll all come out. I'll be back in about 3 or 4 minutes. Stir it all the time now, get rid of all of those lumps. So you can see the lumps have all gone. That's just stirring and stirring away. We're now going to add a little bit of nutmeg, a little bit of salt and pepper. And we're going to add 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. 2 more minutes, stirring away. Job done. Really simple, beautiful sauce here. So I've put our broccoli into a metal tray. I'm using metal, but if you want, you could use glass or ceramic, as long as it can go in the oven. Really simply, look, we've got our lovely sauce here. We're just going to pour that over. Then I've got 1 more cup of Parmesan cheese. You could use cheddar or mozzarella on top here, but I'm going to go for Parmesan. And then into a really nice hot oven. Get your oven as hot as you can. Just pop that in. About maybe 10 or 12 minutes. You know what we're looking for. Everything here is cooked. We're just going to bring it together. So easy. Okay, there you go, beautiful. About 10 minutes in the oven that was. Nice and easy. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.